Copying and pasting can sometimes seem like a really simple thing to do in Excel. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to try copying this data here into a Word document, and we're going to see the various options available and what each of the options mean. Because sometimes what happens is we just do a straight copy and a paste, and then things don't work out exactly as we want them to, and we end up having to do a lot of rework. So let's have a look. First of all, I've highlighted the data that I want to copy out of Excel, and I can use any of the copying options. Control C, I can right click, or I could use the copy icon. Over here in my Word document, instead of just going paste, I'm going to click the drop arrow. Now here we have 6 main options. Let's watch what happens as I hover on each and get a live preview. So the first one's called Keep Source Formatting. So what that does is it makes it look exactly like the Excel document or the Excel spreadsheet, which you can see on the left there. The second one uses destination style. So you can see it's sort of stripped out the formatting and uses a table, which would be the general format in Word if you want to keep it looking like that. The third option, Link and Keep Source Formatting, is really useful because it links the two files together. So this is really handy if perhaps you've got some information in Excel that isn't finalized and you're putting it into a Word document that's going to be like a report. As soon as one of the numbers changes in the Excel file, it automatically populates next time you open the Word document. Now, the only proviso to that is your files need to have the same names as when you first created the link, and you can't move them around into a different folder location because the links get broken. The third option here uses a link, so it will automatically update, but it's stripped out all that formatting, made it look a little bit more like Word. The next one here puts it in as a picture or an image. This is really useful if you just want to show a snapshot. And the last one here, text only, strips out the columns and replaces it with tab stops, which would then need to format appropriately in Word. So you can see there you've got 6 different options. If you wanted it to look exactly the same and keep the link, you click this option and your data is now dropped in. So sometimes even the simplest things, just taking a moment to make a selection can make your life easier and save you with a whole lot of rework in Excel. So that's copying and pasting from Excel to Word.